Hello and welcome to Magnum RV in Montrose, Virginia. Here we have a very nice travel trailer that's a great affordable camper, and it even has bunks. Introducing the 2013 StarCraft AR-ONE 26BH Wide Body Edition. This camper is extra clean, has a great floor plan, features 2 large bunks in the rear, queen bed up front, a sofa that jackknifes into a bed, large dinette, double sink, 3-burner stove with oven, microwave oven, 2-door refrigerator, and more. This thing is absolutely gorgeous. Like the diamond plate on the front to protect it. Clean out's easy to get to. Stabilizer jacks. These are the windows for your bunk room. This is like a new camper. Beautiful. Extra large. Check out that awning. Almost the entire length. Coach. See when you enter, got a really nice sofa here. Have our front bedroom, privacy curtain. Great. We're gonna have tons of storage up above. Storage on both sides. And look at all that. That is an extra large basement. In-law suite. Just kidding now. Maybe not. And here, storage all the way down into the kitchen. Nice having a double sinks. Have our microwave oven, our hood range, got a 3-burner stove, got an oven. Other side is our dinette, also converts into a bed. You'll see lots more storage up above. Separate freezer, refrigerator. And check out the size of these bunks. They're huge. And what's nice is how much headroom they also have. Same thing down below. Just lots and lots of room, and it's like unbelievable condition inside. Have our sink, medicine cabinet, and what's extra nice is you have a toilet here, and actually you get a bathtub. So this unit actually has a bathtub and shower combination. Storage back there. Got our shower wand. And nice vent up here. And don't forget, at Magnum RV, we'll take as much time as needed to fully explain and demonstrate all of the systems on your RV. We also offer RV financing available with approved credit. We are a locally owned dealership. We've been in business for over 15 years. All of our coaches have been thoroughly checked out, serviced, and turnkey when leaving the lot. We also include a 60-day warranty on our RV systems. Make sure you check out our website at magnumrv.com.